Hello friends, my name is Chetan Wadadia and I have a good news for all the students who are going to come in 10th and who are going to come in 9th, because I am going to launch two new courses for class 9th and 10th from 1st of April. From 1st of April, I am going to launch two new courses on Unacademy for class 9th and 10th. So the students who are going to join class 9th and 10th from the next year, or you can say from this year only, from 1st of April, I am going to bring two new courses for them, and I am going to teach in English and also in Hindi together. मैं हिंदी में भी पढ़ाऊंगा guys, so that I can make your all doubts clear in that. So this is one good news that I want to share with you. और मैंने फिर से बता रहा हूँ आपको, मैं हिंदी में भी पढ़ाने वाला हूँ और इंग्लिश में भी मिक्स, because I know that many students are having problem in understanding the question given in English. That's why I try to teach in English. Generally बच्चों को, बहुत सारे बच्चों को यही प्रॉब्लम होती है, they are not able to understand the questions. जो हिंदी में क्वेश्चन इंग्लिश में दिए होते हैं क्वेश्चंस, उनको वो नहीं इंटरप्रेट कर पाते हैं, एंड दैट्स व्हाई मुझे लगता है आई शुड टीच इन इंग्लिश मोर. Okay, so I will teach in Hindi and English together, so you can join me. What I am going to bring for class 9th and class 10th, two new courses I am going to start, and in that new courses I am going to take chapter number 1, 2 and 3. If time will permit, we can start 3, but I think second chapter and first chapters are very lengthy. This is very small chapter. So I am going to cover these 3 chapters in this first month course, and after every 3 session of teaching, one doubt clearing session will be also there. So if you are having any doubt, you can clear doubt in that session. आप अपने सारे डाउट उसमें क्लियर कर सकते हो, इसमें भी पूछ सकते हो if you are having doubt. So after every, and we are going to cover this 3 chapters in April month. If time will permit, we can start 4th chapter also. And for class 10th also, we are going to complete, I think, chapter number 1 and 2 and half of chapter number 3, because chapter number 3 is very lengthy. So that we are going to complete for class 10th from 1st of April on Unacademy, guys. So you can join me on Unacademy using my code Galaxy Coaching. That will give you 10% discount in Plus subscription fees. Yes guys, these courses are for Plus students only. So you need to take subscription for that, and please use my code Galaxy Coaching without space. Galaxy Coaching without space, and you will get 10% discount in that. So I will suggest for class 9 student, please try to take 2-year or 24 month subscription, because the cost will reduce, or the subscription fees will reduce a lot in 24 months. And for class 10 student, I will also suggest that you also take for 24 month. If you want to take 12 month also, then also it's okay. 12 महीने के लिए लोगे तो भी चलेगा. Why? And let me tell you, my course is Foundation and NTSE. Why the name is Foundation and NTSE? Okay, and yes, they had changed and they had kept JEE, NEET, Foundation and NTSE. So in this course, you will get all the chapters of class 9, all the subject, class 10th, all the subject, then class 11, JEE, NEET, NTSE. For NTSE also, they will teach you maths. So everything you can learn here in this course from class 9 to 12. So don't go for only for class 9th. Unacademy special courses are there for class 9th or class 10th. Don't go in that. Go in this JEE, NEET, Foundation and NTSE, and in that I am going to bring these 2 courses from 1st of April. Please use my code, that will help you to get 10% discount. So join guys, and try to take subscription for 24 months. So, and I think in 4 months, in just 4 months, I will be going to complete whole syllabus of class 9th and class 10th. Yes guys, if maximum I can say 5 months. After that we are going to prepare for NTSC. So I am going to bring MAT classes, SET classes for you and for other competitive exam, and at last we will solve sample paper sets, and from other reference book also I will bring new courses from other reference book also. I will try to bring questions and everything. That's why I am telling you to go for 24 months guys. So thank you so much, and don't wait guys, जल्दी से सब्सक्राइब करो on Unacademy. Use this code Galaxy Coaching, and my profile name is Chetan Wadhadia guys. Chetan Wadhadia on Unacademy. So join me guys. Thank you so much for watching this. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and follow me guys. Bye.